In today's video, we'll show you the 5 best waterproof shower caps, which can be a game changer for people who don't want to mess up their blowout or style every time they bathe. The morning after shower cap from Drybar is a great way to protect your blowout and keep your hairstyle looking great. The cap's outer shell keeps water out of your hair, while the terry cloth lining absorbs moisture and steam to keep frizz at bay. The cotton-lined elastic grip holds firmly yet comfortably, and the oversized shape gives your strands plenty of room to breathe. Its cotton-trimmed elastic doesn't irritate skin, making this a great option for those with sensitive skin. Because the cap is extra spacious, it will easily fit long or thick hair, as well as hair in a protective style. So, if you have long or thick hair, this shower cap can be a must-have bathing accessory to keep it looking its best. Amazerbath shower cap for women is made from eco-friendly and skin-friendly polyester and EVA fabric. It is extremely comfortable to wear, with a double-layer design that includes a polyester outer layer and an EVA inner layer to effectively keep your hair dry while taking shower. Because the elastic rope is made of reusable rubber, it will not put too much pressure on your head, providing you with greater comfort. This reusable shower cap made of 100% waterproof material is a great choice for those with shorter hair, and with 4 shower caps for less than $12 it's a great deal if you don't plan on wearing one every day. Additionally, this shower cap is available in a variety of colors, including green, purple, pinkish orange, and blue, giving you more options for matching with your pajamas. So if you're looking for a breathable and solid shower hair cap that will stay snug on your head and will not only add convenience but also beauty to your daily life, then the Amazerbath reusable shower cap can be an excellent choice. If you're in the market for a shower cap that will actually keep your hair dry and won't make your head sweat, the Grace & Company Luxury Shower Cap is a great option. The shower cap has a concealed leak-proof flexiband that secures your hair and aids in the preservation of blowouts, curls, and hair treatments, as well as a comfortable fit for all head sizes. This cap is also made of an innovative premium performance fabric that is 100% waterproof, latex-free, breathable, and durable, keeping your hair dry without sacrificing comfort and protecting against humidity and water. The adjustable bow ensures a comfortable and customized fit, making it ideal for all hair lengths and types. It comes in a chic, modern design, while the machine-washable fabric lets you to use it repeatedly. So if you need something more than your average shower cap, then try this cute and fun designs of the Grace & Company Luxury Shower Cap, which is the best shower cap you will ever own and a must-have for any fashion-savvy woman. The EcoTools Recycled and Sustainable Shower Cap is a great way to keep your hair dry on no-wash hair days. This shower cap is made from recycled and sustainable materials, making it an excellent choice for those who are eco-conscious. The cotton lining of the shower cap takes a little longer to dry, but it is so soft and gentle on your hair while keeping it healthy, frizz-free, and breakage-free, that it is well worth for the protection it provides. This cap is roomy enough for long hair and comes with a reusable ventilated travel case, making it ideal for traveling. The case is made of EVA, renewable bamboo, and breathable mesh with a zipper closure, so there will be no mold or mildew if you need to pack your luggage before the cap dries. However, we dislike the fact that there is only one design and that the cotton lining can stain. Other than that, if you care about the environment, this cruelty-free and vegan shower cap will be an amazing addition to your beauty regimen. Simply wrap it around your hair, tuck in any loose ends, and shower as usual to avoid having a bad hair day. Kitsch's luxury shower cap for women is a stylish and functional way to protect your hair from getting wet or damaged when showering. The shower cap is made of 100% waterproof nylon that is both durable and comfortable, and it is lined with a repel insects fabric to keep your hair dry and snug on your head. For added comfort and security, this shower cap has an elastic band that stretches to fit most head sizes. The shower cap is also designed with a non-slip silicone grip to keep it in place while showering or bathing, and because it is so cute, you can even wear it outside of the shower, which is ideal for running errands in the rain or keeping your hair dry poolside. The Kitsch Luxe Shower Cap is an extremely good way to protect your hair from water and high humidity while being extremely simple to put on and take off. Additionally, this bow-decorated shower cap is machine washable and comes in a variety of fun prints and patterns, making it an elegant option for any woman who can find one that matches her style. So, if you want to protect your hair while still looking fashionable, wear this Kitsch luxury shower cap instead of washing and styling it every day for healthier hair. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe. For more updates in the future, don't forget to press the notification bell.